Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Voyager. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, body color door handles, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, cloth bucket seats, tinted glass, compass. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform. Your new ride is just a phone call away.